Hey everyone, Rain Soccer here, and I'm just doing some sort of super comfort brawl stuff, just being a blaze. And I'm doing really bad. So wow, Mario just suicided. Let's try in here. Duh! So I guess there's not much to talk about, except for the fact that this guy's beating me up, and I need to stop him. Oh, he got on fire! Okay, I'm not doing that bad. Ozzy is currently doing his own recording, I think, right now. So I'm just doing mine. Alright, so I forgot to choose my character, that's why I'm playing. See, when I go bow, I usually like to use skeletons because what they do is that it's so much easier to use a skeleton. You can knock him back so far with the ball. Oh, come on, that hit. Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. Hit. I'm just gonna beat him up with this. How's he not dead? Okay, there we go. Hey, look at Mario being such a smart one. Trying to burst me. Oh, shoot. Bye. Alright. I think the skeleton. Okay, I think the cactus is camping. Yeah, cactus is camping. Oh, shoot. No. Cactus camper. I hate it when people camp. Oh my god! Whoa! Well, I'm doing bad. Wow, come on, I never do this bad. This is so embarrassing. Oh, shoot. I don't want to die. Why? Okay, shot. Alright. Oh, you think you can hide? You can't! Oh, shoot. Oh, no! Oh, shoot. Get away from me. Oh, you idiot! Well, officially I suck at Blaze. Really, so I'm okay. I don't feel too bad. Come on! What is this? Oh, I'm screwed. Goodbye. Oh, no, I'm alive. Look at him trying to hit me. You're not going to. Oh, shoot. Well, that sucked. Shoot, that was so bad. Nice. I'll see you guys in my next game. I'm just a spider. And since I'm, with spider, I usually troll, like, not do anything like weird, but I just don't let them hit me. They can't hit me. Because I run too fast and stuff. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Oh shoot. Oh. Bye bye. Goodbye. Easy. Oh shoot, shoot, shoot. What is that? I think that's a skeleton. Yeah, it's a skeleton. No problem. Oh, shoot. Yes, problem. Oh, come on. Friends. What I really want is a bomb, but I end up killing myself every time I get a bomb. Look at him trying to hit me. He will not hit me. Whoa! Whoa! Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye, my friend. Alright, let's go. So, bacon eater, I'm gonna kill you. Goodbye, goodbye, I'm so sure. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Just go, just go. Just, Ooh, squid. I haven't had fresh squid in a long time. Oh, what's this? You can't. Oh, sure. It's kind of dumb. It doesn't do anything, the blindness. It just makes it so you can't run, but you can still see fine. Or maybe it's Optifine doing some of its magic. Oh my god, that was a good shot. Look at them fight. Hey, buddy. Oh shoot. Buddy. Whoa there. Whoa, you trying to hit me? Whoa. There. Hold on. How is he hitting me? Oh, damn. He's getting some awfully lucky shots. Hey, try and hit me. You know what? I think I'm gonna kind of toss my life away when there's one guy left. I'm saving this milk. I'm gonna drink it and I will lose the speed effect. Dude, I look awesome. I'm a spy. Oh shoot. No. Please, Tyler. Please, Tyler. I lost a milk. That sucks. Now I can't be a butt face. Hey, Tyler. Oh my god. You aren't safe yet. You aren't safe at all. You are not safe. Oh no, is that? Oh no. Shoot, I had like a mini heart attack. Oh no. Hey. Trying to get me, huh? Shit. Maybe Mr. Ninja. Oh, he fell. He lost. Isn't that something? You don't see me. You don't see me. Control. Thank you, skeleton. Hey, bacon. Goodbye. Ah, sorry. I did not know. I just ran up, I saw someone, my reflexes told me what to do. Oh shoot, what is this? Aimbot or something? How? Okay, no, it's not aimbot. I don't think so. He just has a good aim. I win! That's it for this episode. Bye.